Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter S. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर S का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter S. लेटर S पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo, shabash. The sound of letter S is S, S, S. Letter S की आवाज है S, S, S. Trace letter S with a pencil. Letter S पर पेंसिल फेरें. Now we will read keywords from letter S. अब हम लेटर एस से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. सनफ्लावर, स्पाइडर, स्टार, सा. सनफ्लावर, स्पाइडर, स्टार, सा. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. S letter, sing, sing, sing.
S letter, sing, sing, sing.
S letter, ring, ring, ring.
S letter, ring, ring, ring.
Circle letter S in the given letters. इन letters में S के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Connect bird to the nest with the help of lines. Shabash. Dear teachers, discuss pictures with children and introduce letter S with phonic song. Encourage children to talk about the pictures. Explain how sports bring discipline to our life. Highlight the importance of physical activity and sports for our overall well-being. For example, balance, mobility, strength, speed, etc. Play games, kokla chaparki, hide and seek, peekaboo, ludo, etc. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words sunflower, strawberry, star, spider, and saw. Do you know hockey is our national game?